Hey parents, no mom or dad is perfect, and missteps are just part of the journey. But it's not the mistakes that define our relationships with our children, it's how we repair them. Today we're going to uncover why repair is a cornerstone of healthy parenting, and how you can master the art of repairing after parenting mistakes. In this video, we're not just talking about making amends, we're delving into the heart of what makes for strong, enduring parent-child relationships. We'll explore why acknowledging and repairing our mistakes can significantly deepen trust and understanding between you and your child. From recognizing the impact of our actions to learning the actual steps of effective repair, I will guide you through this crucial aspect of parenting. As we go through this, you might keep in mind a recent incident where things didn't go well with your child. Do you wish you would have known how you could have handled it differently? Keep that example in mind for now. Soon we'll look into practical examples and strategies so you can do things better next time, turning such moments into opportunities for strengthening your relationship. My name is Todd Sarner, and I'm a psychotherapist and parenting coach, and most importantly, I'm a parent myself. My mission is to help you have the family life that you've always wanted and to raise children who thrive. Understanding the importance of repair. Imagine this. It's been a long day and patience is running thin. In a moment of frustration, a parent snaps at their child over something trivial. The child's face falls, the hurt evident in their eyes. It's a scenario that many parents know all too well, but it's what happens next that can transform this moment from a point of regret to a powerful opportunity for growth and connection. Let's explore the critical role of repair in these moments and why it's so vital in your parenting journey. Repair goes beyond a simple apology. It's the acknowledgement of the emotional disconnection that occurred and an understanding of its impact on your child. This action shows your child that their emotions are seen and valued, reinforcing the safety of your relationship. Engaging in repair teaches resilience. It demonstrates to children that while mistakes are part of life, they don't define our relationships. The way we handle and learn from these moments can actually strengthen our connections. By taking steps to repair the rift, parents model important values like accountability and empathy. This not only mends the immediate issue, but also teaches children valuable lessons in managing conflict and emotional challenges. Ultimately, repairing these rifts is a profound expression of unconditional love and respect. It reassures your children that, despite the inevitable challenges, the bond you share remains unshaken and resilient. Recognizing when and why repair is needed. There's a subtle art to recognizing the moments that call for repair in our relationships with our kids. It's not always about big arguments or obvious upsets. Sometimes it's the smaller, quieter moments that need our attention. Let's learn how to spot these crucial opportunities for repair and understand the why behind them. Repair is often needed after conflicts, but there are also situations where there's been a misunderstanding or a broken promise, or even where we've unintentionally hurt our child's feelings. It's about being attuned to your child's reactions and emotions, noticing changes in their behavior or mood that might signal a need for connection and reconciliation. And why is repair important in all these cases? Because each moment of disconnection, big or small, can create a ripple in the child's sense of security and belonging. Repairing these moments isn't just about resolving the immediate issue. It's about reaffirming to your child that they matter, that their feelings are important, and that your relationship with them can withstand challenges. Unaddressed rifts, even minor ones, can accumulate over time, leading to feelings of distance or mistrust. By actively addressing and repairing these rifts, parents can prevent this buildup and maintain a strong, open line of communication with their children. Recognizing and addressing the need for repair is a critical skill in your parenting. It shows your child that you're committed to understanding them and maintaining a healthy, emotionally secure relationship. This commitment lays the foundation for a strong bond based on mutual respect and trust. Steps to effective repair. So you've recognized the moment that requires repair in your relationship with your child. What do you do next? Like I've said, repair is more than just an apology. It's a series of thoughtful actions that can rebuild trust and understanding. Let's break down these steps now to ensure your efforts at repair are both meaningful and effective. Step 1. Acknowledging the mistake. The first step is to acknowledge the mistake or the hurtful incident. This means taking responsibility without excuses or justifications, and it doesn't mean beating up on yourself. A genuine acknowledgement shows your child that you understand the impact of your actions and sets the stage for healing. Step 2. Expressing empathy and understanding. Next, empathize with how your child feels. This might involve saying something like, "I can see how upset you are, and I'm sorry my actions made you feel this way." Empathy shows that you're not just sorry for the act, but that you care about how it affected your child emotionally. And I want to add one more point about this that I find myself saying almost every day in both parent consulting and in couples work, is that empathy does not mean you agree. And what I mean by that is, it's an important aspect of empathy to understand that you don't have to see the situation the same way as, in this case, your child sees it. You don't have to agree that your intention was one thing or the other. It just matters that you're trying to understand how they feel and how it impacted them. Empathy doesn't mean that you agree. Step 3, listen to your child's perspective. And in alignment with that last point, give your child the opportunity to express their feelings and thoughts about the incident. Listen actively without interrupting or defending yourself. This step is crucial for understanding the full impact of your actions and for your child to feel heard and valued. Step 4, working together on a solution. Discuss with your child what can be done to make things right. This might involve specific actions to remedy the situation or discussing how similar situations can be handled differently in the future. Look, you're still the parent, you're still in charge, but collaborating on a solution helps restore your child's sense of agency and reinforces the idea that even though you're the parent, their feelings and their perspective matters. Step 5, reinforcing love and reassurance. Finally, reinforce your love and commitment to your child. Let them know that despite mistakes, your love is unconditional. This reassurance is the key to maintaining a secure and trusting bond. Through these steps, repair becomes an integral part of your parenting. It's not just about fixing moments of conflict, but about consistently nurturing a relationship based on respect, understanding, and love. We've got a couple more important points to cover, but if you're finding this information valuable, I hope you'll take a couple moments to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And please leave your comments and questions and suggestions for future videos in the space below. Dealing with resistance and building resilience. So what happens when you try to repair a rift, but your child isn't receptive? It's a scenario that many parents face, and it can be disheartening. But don't lose hope. Dealing with resistance is not only part of the repair process, it's also an opportunity to build deeper resilience and understanding. Let's look now at how to navigate this challenge effectively. Resistance from children during repair attempts can stem from various emotions: confusion, hurt, or even anger. But the most common reason for this resistance is simply because they're not feeling connected to you in the moment because of what happened. It's important to recognize that this resistance is a natural reaction and is just an expression of what they're feeling right now. When facing resistance, patience is the key. Just give your child a little time and space to process their feelings. And in the meantime, say something like, "I understand you're upset and you might not be ready to talk now, but I'm here and I'm ready when you are." This approach respects their feelings while leaving the door open for that future communication that you want to make sure happens. Consistently showing your willingness to repair, even in the face of resistance, also builds trust over time. It demonstrates to your child that your commitment to repairing and strengthening your relationship isn't dependent on their immediate response. So if you're focused on empathizing with your child's feelings and you gently persist in your efforts to connect, over time, this consistent empathy and persistence can help break down the barriers, fostering an environment where open communication and emotional safety are the norms. As we wrap up our exploration of repairing rifts in the parent-child relationship, remember that the journey of parenting is filled with learning and growth, both for you and for your children. Building on what we've learned today about repairing relationships, it's equally important to develop strategies that prevent these conflicts and misunderstandings in the first place. That's why I encourage you to watch our next video titled 3 Secrets to Effective Parenting Without Yelling. Here we'll dive into practical and compassionate techniques that will help you manage challenging situations without resorting to yelling, reducing the need for repair, and fostering a more harmonious family environment from the start. So if you're looking to enhance your parenting toolkit and create a more peaceful home, be sure to check out that next video. You're going to discover key strategies to maintain calm and effective communication, even in the most testing times. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to continuing this parenting journey together in the next video.